App rankings are just how high an app ranks. And in ASO, we talk about app rankings two different ways. We talk about overall rankings for category or store-wide, and then we also talk about rankings for a particular keyword, which is different. So ASO helps you rank primarily for keywords, and then overall, as you build up more rankings for a stronger variety of keywords and you have good signals from ASO, including high star rankings, good reviews, good engagement, then you start to increase your rankings for the category and overall in the App Store. So that is app rankings. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. To be notified about future videos, click the logo. And to try the MobileMoxie mobile SEO toolset, use the promo code YouTube to get 30 days free. They're mobile-first SEO tools for a mobile-first world.